guys, we're going to do something a little bit different today.
We travel the world doing workshops and doing shoots, and one of the things that we do on the workshop with models that we've never worked before and models at all different experience levels, we try and show the photographers what models don't like that photographers do and what they do a lot.
Yes.
And pretty much it's come down to three things, and nearly every single model we bring this up with says exactly the same thing. The three things that really put them off from giving their best on a photo shoot or being a good model. Now, Beck would know what number one is.
Not saying anything at all, not getting any feedback. Just absolutely, photographer doesn't speak to you.
Doesn't show you pictures.
Doesn't show you, you've got no idea. You just walk in and they don't speak to you and expect you to just model. And you don't have any idea what the mood is, what the feel is, and they give you no feedback once you start shooting. It's just gives question marks of, am I doing this right? Is this what they're after? Do I look okay? Am I doing the right thing?
And this is one of the reasons that I do cool. I like. Because if it's feedback, even though I repeat myself, you're still getting a feedback.
And it's positive, but it's still fairly neutral. Cool is cool.
Yeah, it's not like gorgeous honeypots. What was that horrible? Oh, yum. Sexy.
Yeah.
A lot of those. Yeah. What are the four worst sort of words? Is it like
Definitely sexy.
hot?
Yeah, hot's a bit. I don't really like it.
Anything that can be taken that you might be chatting up on them or speaking in a sexual sort of.
Yeah. The
way.
cool is just nice and neutral, and it's also a positive, like, this is going down the right track.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay.
Can you slow down a little bit? Hold. No, you're moving too much, just hold. No, don't move, just hold.
Is, like, what I'm doing okay? Like...
I think so, just model.
Okay.
Yeah, but don't move as much.
Okay. So just, like, stand in one spot and, like, don't move.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I can't move, I lose my focus. Just don't move.
Just
don't
stand in one
stand
spot.
Okay. Yeah.
Like this?
I don't know.
Okay. So, like, what mood, like, what feel are you going for?
Like your pictures you have on Instagram, that feel.
Okay, well... It's better if I move around to get a feel and stuff, so, like, just standing is a bit awkward, like...
But my light's set up, you can't move.
Okay.
I need you just in one spot. They just don't look like the stuff you do on Instagram.
'Cause I'm normally moving a little bit.
Well, we can move a little bit, but you got to hold once you move.
Okay.
It can't move before I take a picture, but you got to move once I click. I want a new pose, but you can't move off the spot.
Okay.
Make it more posy.
What kind of pose?
Just like model pose.
Okay.
Yeah, there, hold that. Don't move. Let me just get 10 of them. Don't move. So what's the second most dislike or uncomfortable things that photographers do with models?
Over posing.
As in?
As in like micro, like, can you just move your, put your hand up now, just tilt your wrist now, drop your head now, the over posing.
Oh, that here I have a photo, I want to copy it exactly.
Yeah.
And the photographer hasn't realised that the photo that was taken might have been the model moving to get that, and the photographer's just gone click and captured. But now he's trying to make someone hold that position, which was not natural.
Yes, and it's because it's an unnatural pose. Like, it's not the way that I would just naturally hold myself. It feels weird, and because it feels weird, I'm going to feel uncomfortable, and then I'm going to look uncomfortable.
So this is what I want to do today. So it's good that you've got this dress. I think I've got some jewellery to put on you, but I want to get that picture just like this. I want that attitude, that eye. I'm going to have a different background though, but I really want that. I love this picture. I want to recreate that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
So if you can just wear that.
Okay. Like, put it on.
Yeah, if you can just set it up and wear that.
Okay.
That's cool.
Well, that picture's like a lot wider than the other one though.
I'll just crop it later. I'll crop it later.
Okay.
I don't know, you're not giving me the same feel. Let's try again. In fact, no, the problem is you're facing the wrong way. I need you to face the other way.
I prefer to be shot on this side.
Yeah, but the picture's the other way.
Can't you flip it?
No, because I don't like over photoshopping. So can you face the other way? That's better. Now, do you need to see the picture again? Where to put your hands?
Like this?
Yes, but she's looking... Oh, it's the jewellery. I need the jewellery all up around here more. So maybe throw it up over your shoulders, and so it's... Yeah, that's it. So it's more chunky jewellery type. That's it. Now, give me that pose again. No, you're just not doing it right. You've got jewellery on your arm. I don't want it on your arm.
Where do you want the
See,
jewellery?
the picture's, it's on her neck and it's just below her arm, but it's not on her arm.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, then pose like this. I don't think her hands are like that. No, see, I don't like your fingertips.
But you can't see her fingertips in there.
But I can see them here.
That's because that one, the other photo's a lot tighter.
But I think the way you're holding your fingertips is changing the muscle in your arm.
Okay. So how should my fingertips be?
I think you should put your hands flat on your head. Sorry. I do this without laughing. We're not very good actors.
It's not. Oh, okay. So like this.
Yeah, more flat. I think that's better. And drop your chin down more. Right, yeah, that's better. But your hair's... Maybe... Can you put your hand over your hair like that? That's it. And so, sort of... Yeah, I think... The back arm's too low. You've got to lift your back arm up high. That's it. That's nearly perfect. Arm a little bit higher, the back one. That's a bit it. That's it. Cool. That's really cool. Cool. Now make it beautiful. I can act better than you. Yes, arm up. That's no down a little, but now both arms down a little bit. That's it. Cool. Now give me the eye. Like give me that eye. Give me that eye. I don't know. It's just not right. Maybe it's the tattoo.
Maybe.
The obvious to us one, the third one.
It's just sleazy, creepy, wanting to get you to be naked, and it sticks out pretty obviously, and you can tell right away someone's vibe and when their passion isn't photography and they're only getting you into the photo shoot so that they can try and see your bits and bobs. And it's just extremely obvious, especially to us girls. Like, yeah, we can all pick up on it.
So I put a storyboard together and I see you wearing this nice dress. And can we do something like that where you just drop the straps off your shoulder a little bit?
Not really comfortable with doing that.
But you can put your arm there
Yeah, but
and it would cover you.
it's just not really my comfortability. Like, it's not really my comfort zone. I just like if the straps can stay on, because like I don't.
Yeah, if the straps stay on, it's not the feel I want. I want that sexiness. So then what about if we do, I've got a cowboy hat out the back. We do something like that.
I told you before the shoot I don't do nude.
No, this isn't nude. She had a hat on.
But I'm not doing implied or anything like that. It's just not in my comfort zone.
No, yeah, all right. But I have this film camera, and if I use this, they can't see it on the internet. It'll just be on film.
Yeah, I'm not comfortable.
I'm comfortable.
I'm not though.
Oh. Well, I'd planned our day based on you being a model, and.
But I'm not a nude model. I don't do nude.
But fashion is nude.
It's not something that I do.
Maybe you should put this in your bio.
We had a conversation before the shoot that I don't do nude or implied nude.
Maybe you needed to put that in writing for me. Okay. So then that's out then.
Yeah, no. As I said, I'm not taking my top off.
Well, what about if we put a jacket on you?
I can work with a jacket.
Okay. I'll just have a jacket. You can just get changed there, okay? Yeah, this is nice. Can you try just lifting your arm up a little bit?
I'm not too sure if I can because it's kind of short.
Can you just try?
No, because I think my boob might fall out.
But you're a model, aren't you?
Yeah, but I don't want my boob to
I see boobs all the time. It doesn't matter to me.
Matters to me, though.
Oh, okay. Can you just turn side on a little bit then? Yeah, that's nice. That's cool. That's cool. But can you not hold the jacket?
It's like not sitting like straight on me, though.
Okay. Just come back. Cool. It's not quite working. I just want to adjust your hair. Is this okay?
No.
You're looking a bit uptight.
Thanks.
Would you like a back massage? Would that make you more relaxed?
No, thank you.
You're very pretty. Do you have a boyfriend?
I'm getting married.
Have you ever played up on him?
No.
The skits that we've just done, it was based on what we've been told by a lot of models.
Yeah.
Things that have happened on shoots, things that have happened to you.
Yes.
And it's just pointing out that if you're really in this to be a great photographer, these are three things you want to steer clear of. Number one, give the model heaps and heaps of feedback of what you're trying to create. Show them lots of pictures, not just one, because the micro-posing of that one to copy that picture, it's so uncomfortable. And then just don't be a sleaze, because the girls will pick up on it straight away and you'll never get a good shot off them, and models talk.
Yes. So we hope you guys enjoyed this and it was valuable for you to get some feedback that we've received from other models that we then wanted to pass on to you, because maybe models don't feel comfortable saying this themselves. So this is what we've been told from models all over the world and wanted to pass it on to hopefully help you. And we will be doing some more videos soon, focusing more on modelling and posing. And in the meantime, I'll put up some other rants that we've done now.